Restaurants all over the world right now are implementing voice AI reservation agents at this moment. This is quickly becoming a no-brainer for these business owners. These agents run 24/7. They never get tired. They never take breaks. Whenever you are potentially about to miss a call, these agents are there for you in the back end, able to pick up any call and taking that reservation in.
Good evening, and thank you for calling Kaiseki Noir. This is Aiko speaking. How may I assist you with your reservation today?
Hey, I got a party of 3. Just wanted to see what you guys got.
Certainly, I'd be delighted to share. Kaiseki Noir offers an intimate, chef-curated omakase experience featuring a multi-course tasting menu of seasonal seafood and handcrafted delicacies. May I assist you in securing a reservation for your party of 3? Our latest seating is at 7:30 p.m. to allow the full experience.
Well, yeah, I got a party of 3, and I think 7:30 would work best. These business owners never need to worry about missed money ever again. It's completely eliminated with these things in the back end. Restaurants are reporting over $3,000 monthly saving just by letting these systems handle incoming calls. And here's how it works. So a customer calls, and then the AI handles the whole entire reservation process automatically. It qualifies the lead by collecting the customer's name, email, party size, the essentials that you need to make sure the reservation is all good. The information is then directly sent to a booking system. And in this video, I'm going to be using Google Calendar for an example to show you guys exactly how this works. And at the same time, customers will receive confirmation emails about their order. So this is a system that a lot of people are implementing right now, not because it's AI and it's cool and it looks cool, but these things truly do convert. So I'm just going to be showing you guys exactly how I was able to build this out. And if you want this exact template and want to skip over having to have all the functions and things set up for you, then this exact template is going to be in my Trendwheel Automations community. It's a school community. It's all meant to keep you guys adaptable and fast and speed. Everything I do in this channel, I'm just going to have templates for it, and it will be in my Trendwheel Automations community on school. So if you want this exact one, you can just join. This example, I'm using a sushi restaurant, and it's named, I forgot the name already. It's called Kaiseki Noir. Just a random AI generated name for that, but this restaurant example is going to be very efficient. I'm going to show you guys exactly how this is done, how the system prompt works, what a system prompt is for people that don't know it, and how to integrate this exactly into your business and have this ready for you exactly for your business if you're building this out. So you're just going to need Retail AI, which is a voice AI website platform that allows you to have these calls and set them up. And inside the home page, what you're going to be doing is clicking on create an agent and clicking on voice agent. And then this UI will pop up and you will select single prompt agent and then click on create. Start from blank and click on create. So you should see this when it pops up. Now you're also going to want to have a automation platform. For this example, I'm using NAN. This is an automation that allows you to connect APIs, automations all across services and platforms. I'm able to connect Google Sheets and have a webhook running in the back end connected to retail. I don't know why I keep on saying retail, which is able to just, pick up the whole entire conversation, make sure the party size is right, and solidify everything. We're going to be running through this very quickly, but again, this template is going to be in my Trendwheel Automations community. It's just going to be there for you guys to download, and I'll just run through this really quickly exactly how I built this out. But the other thing I do suggest that a lot of people do for maybe beginners that are starting out and want a quick demo to show people, say maybe someone is instantly wanting something like this and you're just right there next to them and you don't have time to show them the demo that you created, then I highly suggest you create a landing page from whatever it is. If you don't know any landing page sites that are cheap, highly recommend Card. They're $19 a year. Set up a quick landing page. It takes 10 minutes to set up a page like this, and it's not a landing page, it's just like a demo page. And this is exactly what I do. So for this example, I have the restaurant AI reservation demo right here, and then I have a little description, and then this button right here is how you will call the agent. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to set up the phone number and having that all set up for you. But then I just tell them exactly what it does in this description. The AI receptionist Aiko will answer and ask you exactly what the date is for you to dine, She will ask for the party size, things like that. And you show them this exactly, be like, oh yeah, I built this restaurant agent for you. Or even if it's door to door, you can just send them this link real quick. They can check it out at their free time. They'll call it. They'll know exactly what it is without you even pitching it, because it's all here. And then 100% have your contact information in the bottom. I don't have my email here, but I would definitely have my email in the bottom, or a calendar link, right? So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to build it out. Those are the 3 things I highly recommend you get. NAN, 100% you're gonna need it. And then highly recommend you get some landing page so you can show this demo really quick. So there's 2 workflows that you're going to be working with, and it's going to be collecting both information for retail. So let's start off with retail AI, just to get the system prompt out of the way and how the functions work and everything like that. So if you've never used retail AI before, pretty simple setting up. Paste in the system prompt that we have set up already. And I'm just going to be breaking down exactly what the system prompt does. So for each system prompt, you're always going to have a role, a task, specifics, tone, and you're going to see the hashtag next to it, so you know exactly what they're talking about. And then for this example, since it's a restaurant, we have dining experience, and then omakase seatings, which is like the specialty seatings, operation hours, always confirm before booking, and it has rules set in place. So all of these are essential when it comes to making sure the conversation goes smooth and you don't have any problems. One thing I would really start paying attention to are parameters, to make sure those are set. And you can see right here, it says start time, start with the search window, ICO format. But then when you go to functions right here, this is where the functions are going to be placed inside, and we're going to create the functions needed for this based off our end-to-end workflow. So let's just run down that real quick. But you can see if you scroll down to examples is another huge one. So I have examples last in this section. It shows exactly how the conversation would flow. So the caller says, hi, I'd like to make a reservation for this Friday. Of course, I'd be happy to help you. How many guests are joining you? It's exactly what they'll be saying, exactly like if you were to say that, right? They'll always respond to the email. How they'll do it, so they'll make sure they reply with joahn@gmail.com, and then they'll try to confirm it with you. Very useful to make sure the bot actually understands you, and if you have an accent or something like that, they want to make sure they understand you, and they'll double check with you. So that's a really good thing. The system prompt is pretty powerful. So again, this template's in the description. You just join Terminal Automations. I don't like the fact that so many people don't have their templates. So for anyone can to just download. Everyone's kind of gatekeeping these templates, and it's like, I'm gonna have these all inside the community. You can join, ask me any questions if you want, and if you need help implementing this, I'll help you out as well with that. So yeah, as you can see right here, when it says booking reservations, this is where the functions are going to come in place. So booking slot tool, right? Where it says booking slot tool is the same place where booking slot here is going to be taking action. So basically this whole entire function is being ran through this one system prompt that is here. So use the booking slot function to finalize a reservation when all the required details are gathered, and then has all the functions right here. So what we're going to be doing here is you click on add to functions, and then you click on custom function, and this is where we're going to be adding the booking slot. So we'll call it booking slot, and then the description should be, you can say use this function to book a chosen slot, and it is AI powered, so it would read what you put for a description. And then for API endpoint, API is basically how both of these connect, retail and NAN. You're gonna go on your booking slot webhook, and then go to production URL, not test URL, and then click on copy. Make sure this is active, by the way. If you decide to actually test this out, it has to be active. Paste this in. Boom, just like that, and it should say webhook booking slots, and then scroll down to save. Oh, it says a problem right here. So oh yeah, you can't have the name looking like this. You gotta have it like something like this. All right, there we go. Perfect. So that's set up, and you can see that parameters are also here, so we're gonna have to add the parameters as well. So let's go back there, and then you can see we'll have it in form and then parameter name. So for parameters, I have all of these right here. As you can see, date, notes, name, end time, title, party size, start time, and email. These are all the essentials that you're going to be needing for a reservation. And again, if you want to customize this yourself and create whatever you want, it could be for Gym 101, it could be a home service. example, whatever it is that you're thinking, you can customize it and then add your own details inside of it. Feel free to copy this, or again, there's a template. All these strings are just being connected and being used, and also the description as well is important. AI reads the description, so it will see the whole thing. So yeah, we went through the whole example. We went through the booking slot. One thing I didn't mention is the table slots. Table slots are pretty simple because they only have 3 of the parameters needed, which is end time, start time, and customer number, which is required. Make sure all these are checked and click on update. Inside the check availability, so inside this end workflow, the first table slots will go through here. If you go and check availability, this is where the start time and end time will go. And these are always going to be making sure it checks for the current calendar, whatever it looks like. If your calendar is full, then it'll go back to the customer and tell them it's full, right? And before that is the input arguments, which it has all the functions needed inside of retail. So retail has start time, end time, and customer number. Back to table slots, you can see end time, start time, customer number, right? Same thing for booking slot. All this information inside this input arguments section is in here, right? So even the party side. So if you decide to change it, you have to change both, right? You have to change both inputs and making sure that is smoothly ran. Also make sure obviously your email is being used. Don't use someone else's email. Don't use my email, because if you download this template, you will be using my email. So yeah, this is a simple system that you can implement. It's not even hard to build at all. It's not hard to just, build out. But real quick, I'm gonna show you exactly how to set up a phone number for people that don't know. You can have phone numbers on this easily. You just can purchase one for $1. Mine is right here. This is perfect for whenever you're trying to demo it out quick and have people see the benefits, the crazy potential. Just click on plus here, buy number, making sure your thing is already set up, buy your number, and then it should connect. You just click on inbound agent, click add inbound agent, and then the webhook is and then just like that, you're done. It should connect.
Good evening, and thank you for calling Kaiseki Noir. This is Aiko speaking. How may I assist you with your reservation today?
Hey, I got a party of 3. Just wanted to see what you guys got.
Certainly, I'd be delighted to share. Kaiseki Noir offers an intimate, chef-curated omakase experience featuring a multi-course tasting menu of seasonal seafood and handcrafted delicacies. The experience lasts about 90 minutes, seated at our elegant sushi counter to ensure a personal and immersive dining journey. May I assist you in securing a reservation for your party of 3? If so, could you please share your preferred date and time? Our latest seating is at 7:30 p.m. to allow the full experience.
Oh, okay. So you guys are right now available at 7:30. Well, yeah, I got a party of 3, and I think 7:30 would work best.
Perfect, thank you. May I have the date you are interested in for your reservation at 7:30 p.m.?
Yes, I was wondering if we can do it tomorrow.
Certainly, tomorrow is December 25th. Let me check availability for a party of 3 at 7:30 p.m. on December 25th. May I have the best phone number to reach you, please? This helps us track your request and send confirmation details.
Yeah, the phone number is 978-222-4444. And you said you needed the email or not?
Thank you for your phone number, 978-222-4444. I will use this to check availability and send reservation details. An email address is optional but recommended for your confirmation and reminders. Would you like to provide one? If so, may I please have it and the spelling?
Yeah. It's Ray, RAYNDAULA @gmail.com.
Thank you, Ray. Let me confirm the spelling, RAYNDAULA @gmail.com. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Thank you for confirming, Ray. We do have availability for your party of 3 at 7:30 p.m. tomorrow, December 25th. May I have the full name for your reservation, please? Also, is there any special occasion or dietary requests we should note?
Yeah, my name is Ray Nadala, and I think there's one person with a peanut allergy.
Thank you, Ray Nadella. I've noted the peanut allergy to ensure our chef is aware and can accommodate accordingly. Let me finalize your reservation for 3 guests at 7:30 p.m. tomorrow, December 25th. Your reservation for 3 guests at 7:30 p.m. tomorrow, December 25th, is confirmed, Ray Nadella. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. We look forward to welcoming you and ensuring a wonderful dining experience, mindful of the peanut allergy. If there is anything else you need, please do not hesitate to ask.
Thank you. That's all.
Thank you for choosing Kaiseki Noir. We look forward to welcoming you soon. Have a wonderful evening.
Have a good one. Okay, cool. Now we can go check our Google Calendar to see if it worked. And to check our Google Calendar, and you can see right here on Christmas Day, we have a party of 3 omakase at 7:30 p.m. And you can see they booked it out. So any person can see this and be like, word, we already just got a leak. And what's cool about this is you can see the notes here, party of 3, peanut allergy noted. If you want a full description, you can also have there. And if you want to actually put actual order there, that can be there as well. So yeah, this is very powerful. I do see a lot of people implementing these voice agents in the future very soon. So receptionists and having these AI powered systems just running in the back end, it's going to save so much time, so much money. It's just a no-brainer for these small business owners. Again, Terminal automations in the link description. If you want to work with me and want this to be in your business, link in the description. My name is Ray. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.